Hi do-it-yourselfers, John here. This is today's project. We got this master bathroom with very nice upgraded cabinets and countertops that came with the house when we bought it. And for some strange reason, even though all this work is upgraded, they installed this ugly, horrible fiberglass pan. And not unusually, it has become worn and stained, and no amount of scrubbing it will keep it clean for very long. So it's got to go. And my plan is to move this drain over to underneath the shower head and install a linear drain. So, time to take this baby apart and get down to the concrete level. So, the initial demolition is done, and now I'm ready to move on to phase 2, which is removing this lowest course of tile. And the reason for that is the fiberglass pan has a 2-inch lip which goes up underneath that tile, and I've got to get to where the wallboard ends behind it so I can ultimately make a clean, waterproof seam. Okay, got the lower level of tile removed and got my trench dug for the new drain location. Next step is to set up the new plumbing, bring the drywall down to the floor, get that watertight, and then I'm going to fill in this entire space to make it level because the existing concrete is not level due to this pre-existing cutout. Latest update. As you can see, I tore off the backer board that was remaining after I pulled off the tile. The reason for that is some of the backer board came off with the tile and it was a little messy, so why not put down a fresh course and have a nice smooth surface. Next step, as you can see, I've purchased the piping for where the new drain will be, and we just got to cut that thing down to match it. Progress update. The Schluter materials have come in, and I have put up the new backboard. I have the new sewer line in place and positioned, and we have installed the Schluter curb and got all the mud and everything watertight. Next step is the tray. I've now got the floor pan installed and the linear drain, and have water sealed it around all the edges, and we're now ready to take a water test, and after that it's time to start putting on some tile. And here we are with the tile completely set. Nothing left to do now but get the grout put in and add the shower enclosure. And here we are with the finished product. Total cost was $3,000. $1,100 of that was for the flooring materials from Schluter. Another $1,300 was for the glass enclosure. Another $300 was for the tile. And the balance was just tools and tool rentals to remove the tile and whatnot. Overall, a smashing success. And you can do it too. Everything I learned on how to do this came from YouTube. Thanks to everybody there who helped me knock this project out.